Hey everyone, hey, it's Rick. Rick sells tools on eBay. Rick sells tools on YouTube. Back with another tool haul. Here we go. First thing I will say is they did a pretty good packing job. So this one, I paid $44.80. I do not know how much shipping was, but this haul is $44.80. It's $40 and then 12% buyer's premium. So $40 and $4.80 for the fee that the auction company charged. I'll slide this over. Okay, first item I've never seen before. This is a 41993 USA GK. It's a Craftsman. It's called the driver light. Doesn't have a battery in it, but you can see there's a button right there. There it is. And it's a bit driver. Never seen this before, pretty cool. I don't know how, so that comes out, there's the light. It takes 2 AA batteries, there we go right there. Really cool. There we go, pretty cool. I'm gonna put that right there on the outside edge. Here's another one, Black & Decker. This is a driver, ratcheting driver. It's a Black & Decker. No other writing on it. Everything you're gonna see come out of this box will be for sale on eBay. Rick sells tools. Here's a, this is a Craftsman 7/8. I've never held one of these in my hand before, and I've held a lot of wrenches. This is a 7/8 chrome molybdenum. How do you pronounce that? M-O-L-Y-B-D-E-N-U-M. Molybdenum, BF Japan. I've heard of these. These Japanese tools are very good. Hopefully I'm remembering it right here. I'll put the year of a BF 7/8 molybdenum Japanese wrench. Right there. Here's another one, same thing, wow. 1-inch Craftsman. Chrome molybdenum, BF Japan. Trying to get the loose wrenches first because they taped a bunch of wrenches together. Here's another one, 13/16 BF Japan Craftsman. These wrenches are in decent shape. Here's a 7/8. Oh, it's not a molybdenum. This is a 7/8 VA. It's a V inverted V. 44703. 7/8 44703. Very lightly used Craftsman. There's another combo wrench. This is also V inverted V or VA. 15/16 44704. 44704 Craftsman. Very lightly used. Here's another molybdenum BF. This is a 3/4 inch combo wrench. BF Japan. Three-quarter inch. Okay, now we have some sets. Glad they taped them to keep them together, but I got to deal with the tape. Give me a second. So here's a 5/8 BF molybdenum, which I think goes with that set. I don't know why these are separated, but anyway, there's a 5/8 Japanese molybdenum. And I'm putting that over here. Looks like a match to me. Here's a V inverted V, 11/16 44698. This is V inverted V, so this is gonna go here. Here's another 11/16. Now this is the Japanese BF 11/16, so this is going to go over there. This is a 5/8 V inverted V, 44697 5/8. This one's going to go right here. But wait, there's more. These are speed wrenches. I think that's what they're called. They're not all speed wrenches, so I don't know why they tape these. This is speed, this is speed. Let's just do these because they're speed wrenches here. I had no clue why they tape these. Okay, let's do these first. These are also molybdenum Japanese. This is 1/2 inch. This has turned out to be a pretty nice set right here. There's the 1/2 inch. I'm going to move these V inverted V's up here. This is a 9/16 BF Japan Craftsman. And when I'm done with this, I'll bring you in to see these close up. This is a BF Japan molybdenum 5/16. Little dinky do. This is a 7/16 BF. Cool, we got the 3/8. 3/8 BF. So of the BF, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. 1 inch, 7/8, 13/16, 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16, 1/2 inch, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16 right there. In the V inverted V, I'm not even gonna call that out yet because I have some over here. Let's do these speed wrenches real quick. Try to do these in size order. First one's a Craftsman, and I call it a speed wrench because I'm not because of that. So these are all going to be quote unquote speed wrenches. So this is a 5/8 V inverted V 47856, 47856, 5/8. Put that one right there. Here's a 9/16, 47855, 9/16, 47855. Seven sixteenths, 47853, 7/16. Again, all of these tools we for sale. Rick sells tools on eBay. Next one's a 3/8, 47852, 47852. That one goes right there. Last one for the speed wrenches, VA 47850, 47850, 5/16. So there are the speed wrenches. I'm going to pull this down because I have a feeling these are going to go here, I think. Let's see. 3/4 inch V inverted V 44701, 3/4 44701. 431. VA 47854, 47854. This is a speed wrench. I missed it. So this is going to go down here. 47854. This is a 1/2 inch combination speed wrench. So now we have 6 speed wrenches. So now in the speed wrenches, we have 5/8, 9/16, 1/2, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16. So we have 6 speed wrenches. I think it was 11 here, and I think the rest go here. We're going to find out. V inverted V 44694, 7/16. V inverted V 44694, 7/16. This is a 1/2 inch 44695, 44695. V inverted V. Three-eighths 44693. V inverted V 44693. 3/8. Now we have a lone wolf here, which is a double open end wrench, Craftsman, 3/8 by 7/16, VV 44572, VV 44572. So I'll call out what we have. Let me show you the box is empty. Box is empty. So again, I paid 44 bucks. Let's say with shipping, I'm 60 bucks into this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 BFs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 V inverted Vs. I have 1 VV double open end. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 speed wrenches. So what? And then and then the two screwdrivers. So I'm going to do this with the screwdrivers. Move this like this because this will be the thumbnail photo. And I'm going to bring the camera in and give you guys a close-up of this. Okay, so here we go. Here's the Craftsman. That's the 41993 GK Craftsman driver light. There it is. That's the Black & Decker ratcheting screwdriver. Here are the BF Japans. Let you look at the drive because you might be interested in buying these. I'm giving you a look at the wrenches. These have not been cleaned. And I'll run you back down the middle. And I'm going to go over to the V inverted Vs. There's the numbers and the sizes. There's the business end. Here's the VV. And here are the speed wrenches. Okay guys, thanks for watching. All of these sets, it's 3 sets. Be listed on eBay shortly. Hit me up if you're interested in any of them, or just go to Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon with a whole bunch more tools. Take care. Bye-bye.